Hamada sensor and the signal mystery. Welcome, inventors, Hamada sensor said with a bright smile. His special, sensor-like eyes sparkled. In his workshop, filled with gadgets and glowing screens, he stood before his friends. Today, we're going to solve the mystery of the signals. Hamada sensor picked up a small, round sensor from his workbench. First, let's talk about analog signals, he said. Think of them like the sunlight. They can be very dim or super bright, and everything in between. He held the light sensor up for his friend Sally to see. Analog signals change smoothly. They can have lots and lots of different values to tell us exactly how bright the light is. Next, Hamada sensor picked up a bright red button. Now for digital signals, he announced cheerfully. Digital is much simpler. It's like a light switch. It's either on or off. Digital signals are like yes or no answers, Hamada sensor said, pushing the button with a satisfying click. Is the button pressed? Yes. We call that a 1, not pressed. He let go. No. We call that a 0, simple. Sally laughed and eagerly started connecting sensors to her own board. Wires crisscrossed the table like colorful spaghetti as she focused on her project. My light sensor says 823, Sally shouted, looking at her computer screen. That means it's really bright in here. Hamada sensor gave her an encouraging thumbs up. Sally then quietly connected her button. She pressed it, and a small green LED on her board blinked to life. A slow, happy smile spread across her face. Digital is like magic switches, she whispered. You've totally got it. Hamada sensor cheered. He turned to a large whiteboard and quickly sketched out a chart to help explain it one more time. The young inventors looked at the chart, the mystery of the signals solved. They weren't just playing with wires and lights, they were learning the secret language of machines together.